I'm going to show you guys how to download the MinGW compiler. First, head to the website, which we linked in the description. Just hit the download button. Take about 5 seconds to download, and you'll just click on the pop-up at the top of the screen. Hit install. Make sure to save it in your C drive, as it's the easiest to access. Click continue. Wait for it to download. Continue again. And then you're going to want to select all the packages. Once you're done doing that, go up to the top and hit this button, hit apply. Again, wait for it to download. This one will take about 5 minutes. Once it's done, you can see that it's done. We're just going to hit close. Now we need to copy the bin file and paste it in our environment variables. So you can see here, I'm just going to the bin, copying its path. This is why it was a good idea to save it in your C drive. Now we're going to search environment variables. We're going to click edit. I'm just going to hit new and paste it in. Once you hit OK, you are now ready to compile C++ on Visual Studio Community.